Stock up with Larry Jones. Let's get right into it. Hey, today is Moo Moo Monday, so at the end of this video, click the top link below and get some free stock, okay? Moo Moo Monday. That is a trading app with zero fees. It gives you pre and post market trading, all right? So you can trade hours before the market opens and hours after it closes. And all of these announcements like earnings and all of that, it's in the Moo Moo app, all right? So you'll know ahead of time. Let's get right into it. I have a lot that I do want to cover as usual in this video. I'm going to be talking about some plays that I got in and out of today. If you saw the video this morning, you know what those plays are because I mentioned them before opening bell. Make sure that you guys are getting all the notification. So make sure that notification bell is checked as well as the subscription button. So make sure you're subscribed. A lot of people are watching. You think you're subscribed. You're not. All right. Just make sure you're not unsubscribing, but subscribed. Let's get right into it. Let's take this thing backwards. Now, Activision, I believe, is reporting after closing bell. You know, they're in the gaming, and it actually has not been performing well. They're actually selling off. So let's go to Activision Blizzard. Sounds like a smoothie or something. So as you can see, it is down 4.39% today. You know, why is it down? I had a video here. Let's see if I could get this to play, and let's listen.
All right, well, shifting gears, two shares of Activision Blizzard feeling the pressure as the company gears up to report earnings after the bell today. Now, its game portfolio of popular franchises is expected to provide a bit of a lift for the gaming company. However, intensifying competition is expected to hinder Activision's top line number in the fourth quarter. Now, this all comes as the Microsoft Activision tie-up remains pending after formally receiving a letter of objections from the EU. So we'll have to keep an eye on how it all shakes out.
All right, so that was a short one. Let's go back to me. And so you'll see Activision is not doing good. They're going to be reporting. So what did I do? I did a put on Activision, some small plays, right? And I didn't talk about Activision this morning because this came after my live. I didn't get in heavy, well, for some, but I got in a little bit. See if I'll share this with you guys. As you can see, I did a $70 put and a $67 put. I'm up, a couple of $100 and almost, 170-ish bucks. And I'm going to hold past the earnings, right? Because I'm expecting it to be negative. And if it is positive, then I lose, right? But what do I keep hammering? Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Now, stop loss, I know it's not 100%, but it is one of the tools in your toolbox, okay? So it's enough. It's not enough money that is going to bankrupt me. And so be careful in options, okay? So we got that. Activision, ticker symbol ATVI. I'm still 85% cash, but today I decided to do a little trading. When I'm not here and I do trading, I always make money. All right. All right. So let's go to one of the ones that I talked about this morning, and that is life storage. As you could see, it is up 11.72%, almost $13. It is up. What's happening with life storage, right? So let's see here. Public storage is, here we go. Sorry about that, good people. Public storage makes a unsolicited $11 billion offer for their rival, right? Now, this may or may not go through, so you have to be careful. I actually got in a little bit, and of course, I did a call on the company that's being purchased, which is Life Storage, ticker symbol LSI. So I did a call on it, expecting it to go up. In public, I did a put, expecting it to go down. Why did you do that, Larry? A lot of times, not all of the times, the company that's doing the purchasing, because it's going to assume more debt, actually goes down, and the company that's being purchased actually goes up in price. A lot of times, not 100% of the time, because public was up higher today. So let me see if I have that where I could show you guys. Yeah, here we go. So this is what I did. I did options on all of these. Okay, so here we go. I did a $125 call and a $115 call on LSI, right? Life storage, because I expected it to go up. And as you can see, I didn't make much on public storage, but still $715 off of that. And this happened within the first 30 minutes of holding these options. And you know what your boy did, right? Deuces, I'm out. All right, so it may run, it may not. It was just kind of hovering a little bit. I kept one option just to see what the price action was going to do, and it didn't do much. By the way, while I'm talking to you guys, look at Bed Bath & Beyond. It is up. Look at that. Almost 87% today. Look at that. And you guys do know that that company is heading towards bankruptcy, right? And so is Carvana and those type of deals. So, hey, I'm not mad at anybody that has BBB, but just remember this. Once it starts going up, everybody's going to tell you to hold on while they're planning their exit. You be one of the first to get in and get some, but you also be one of the first to get out, because these I know how to make money in. I've made a lot of money in them, but the truth and the fact still lies that there's going to be more people that lose money than gain money, because a lot of people are going to be buying Bed Bath & Beyond, not even knowing that what's going on with the company. Let's see if we can pull something up. Yeah, as you can see, it ran up. Sorry about that, good people. As you can see, it ran up, cooled off, and then today it just ran up again. So Bed Bath & Beyond is doing its thing, and so is Tesla. Tesla is running up because, let's see here, TSLA. Tesla's running up, doing well today. Also, too, Tesla defies gravity. As we can see, Tesla's going up. So let's see if we have it right here. Well, they're going up because I believe it's the Model Y that they're raising the price on. And you know what? Let me make sure and check for you guys. I don't want to put any misleading information out there.
It's been a busy couple of weeks for Tesla on the pricing front. The EV market leader has adjusted prices yet again. Let's get the current landscape with Yahoo Finance's Pras Subramanian. More changes here, Pras.
Yeah, Rochelle, this is Tesla just ramming through some price hikes after Friday's IRS ruling that they allowed to change what an SUV classifies for the EV tax right now, using an $80,000 higher MSRP cap that they can take advantage of. So the most recent Tesla price hikes here are for the Model Y long range, up nearly $1,500 to almost $55,000, and then the Model Y Performance by $1,000 to nearly $58,000 is the new pricing for those two models. Now these hikes come after these big price cuts last month, where Tesla wanted to make that Model Y more competitive because it didn't qualify for these EV tax credits. So Musk said in the earnings call that demand was outstripping supply. You see the demand sort of improving both here and in China and places like that. So they're able to hike up as long as they can hit that $80,000 price cap. But the key here, though, I think, Rochelle, is that even though Tesla's doing this and Ford sort of matched them, there's no real price or EV price war just yet. You have GM, Volkswagen, Kia talking about how they want to keep their prices where they're at. They think that they're competitive there. So they may not have to raise prices just yet in order to match Tesla.
So you guys see what's going on. I wanted you to see for yourself, or should I say hear for yourself. as they say in church, govern yourselves accordingly. All right. So those are some of the things that I wanted to talk about. And why did I go over all of these stock and some of these plays? This is momentum trading. And that's what I've been doing and sharing with the family, especially over the last week or two. I've been sharing my plays that are outside of these normal plays. So I'm not assuming the risk of BBB. And I hope they make a lot of money. I hope they make a lot of money. See, I never get upset at someone else making money in other plays because remember, there's almost 5,000 stock, right? Not counting penny stock. And so let's not have tunnel vision and only talk about what everybody else is talking about. So I intentionally, over the last week, have given you guys play after play after play after play that no one else is talking about. And so you can trade just based on the news and you can do momentum trading. Now, I want to share something with you guys, a play that I've been in and out 5 times now that I brought to you guys 2 weeks ago, and that's GEHC. GEHC. I'm going to show you guys what I did. I got back in yet again on Friday, and I'm going to share my portfolio with you guys. This is just, I'm not going to go through a whole series of sharing my portfolio, but I just want you guys to get these lessons. So GEHC actually goes up. The options actually go up when the market is coming down. And so when it goes down is when I double down. So let's see here. Look at this. And there it is no direct correlation because sometimes it goes the other way. But this is what we're looking at. GE has a ton of money, as we know. GE is older than anybody watching this video. Trust me on this. And they got into the healthcare. All right. And I know you guys said, man, you talked about this before. Yeah, but I got back in. Look what it did today. Right. Look what it did over the 5-day. Right. So I got back in on Friday and I typically wait and let it go down. So what I do, and remember, this is not charting at all. I get one contract. I get one call on General Electric, okay? Healthcare, GE Healthcare, should I say. And I just monitor the price action for days. So when I sell everything, I always keep one. Why? So I could see. So I'm going to share with you guys where I am today. Now, this is not for everybody. I have strong convictions on this company, so I went in heavy, all right? So from Friday till today, as you could see, I did a $71 contract and a $72 contract. And as you could see, I went in heavy and I'm up 139% on my $71 contract. I'm up 76% on my $72 contract, right? And this is in no ways, no means braggadocious. I am giving you guys everything that I have. I'm just giving you guys these lessons. You could trade towards earnings and make money. You could trade off of news. A company is buying another company. You could trade off of news. Activision may not hit its earnings, so then I can do a put on it and make money on it going down, make money on other companies going up. And so that's what I wanted to show you. So I don't mind if I miss a play. No one is 100. I don't mind if I miss a play. I'm not going to get every play. It's impossible for anybody to catch every play with all of these moving parts, all of these stocks and crypto, right? Over 20,000 crypto. You're not going to get every one. So, but what I do is I go hunting and I like strange, I like strange deer, you know, and everybody else is shooting at the herd. I go hunting somewhere else. That's all I'm saying. You know, I know some of you PETA folk are going to be like, really? I know, I kind of jacked that up. I'm still on this much sleep, good people. I'm going to cut it off right there. Make sure you download the top link. the top 2 links. Make sure you download Moo if you don't have it. Get the free stock, and then Webull after that. That's where it allows you to buy fractional shares, and it allows you to dollar cost average. You just set it one time and forget it. All right, good people. If you've heard anything on this video that has helped you, I'm sorry. I'm on low sleep, but I still had to come feed the family. I love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. I was going to try to do opening bell and closing bell this week. It ain't going to work. I'm just going to come on when I'm coming on this week. But tomorrow will be a light day, if at all, right? I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.